there are many people at risk who can benefit from our project. We aim to reduce the number of fatalities caused due to heart attacks every year. For example, people of old age, heart patients, obese and overweight people are always at risk of heart attacks and other heart related diseases. Hence, there was only one thing we could think of to help this. Using our expertise in different subjects such as electronics, mechanical, and computer science, we came with what we believe can truly save many lives. We all know that aspirin is a very popular drug to treat people with heart diseases. This is because aspirin works as a blood thinning agent, thus ensuring easy blood flow through a blocked artery or a vein. Hence, we aim to inject similar blood thinners such as warfarin or Lovenox intravenously into the patient to improve the chances in the event of a cardiac arrest. This is what we came up with, named Protagonist, the god of life. Our project consists of a single compact device mounted on the upper arm, which can be connected via Bluetooth to the user's mobile phone. A proprietary app must be installed in the user's phone to allow SOS notifications. Here we see the insides of the device. It's a rather complex device, but has a very simple principle in mind. It aims to inject the person who is suffering from a heart attack when the need is required. Here we can see a sliding door with a hidden injection deep inside it, which allows for the easy administration of the drug at emergency circumstances. Here we can see the pulse detector which we used for our model. This is a app which we created in order to facilitate SOS notifications and calls to emergency services and close relatives. Here we see our model in action, plotting a graph of the heartbeat. As we can see, it seems normal. The heartbeat is constant and everything seems normal until the given circumstance happens, such as cardiac arrest or a heart attack. As you can see, there's a sudden spike which we have simulated, and already you can see that the program has already started to look at the situation and inject the patient depending on the situation. Here is another demo of the given device.
Good morning all. So I am here to explain the working of our model. A servo motor is going to be attached over here. Now the work of the servo motor is that it only gets activated in case there's a spike, and what it actually does is that it opens the sliding door. If you can carefully see, there's a sliding door. It opens the sliding door and then it pushes this particular bar inwards. Now after it pushes the particular bar inwards, what's going to happen is, now look at it very carefully. What's going to happen is this bar will move towards the right direction, thus pushing the top part of the needle holder. Once it pushes the top part of the needle holder is going to release the needle by rotating in the clockwise direction. So it's gonna rotate in the clockwise direction, thus releasing the spring and hence the needle. Now the dimension of this circle which I have given and the dimension of the the dimension of the hole which is made on the base plate is equal. This will prevent the needle from completely penetrating the body of the hand of the patient. Now the liquid is going to be present in this column. After the needle pops out, what's going to happen is the entire piston is going to come down, thus pushing
The more in-depth and detailed files of the given CAD diagrams, the code, as well as the electronics are all found deep inside our drive link which we have provided already. Thank you for watching, and we hope we can save many lives with this device. Thank you.